Hello there, welcome. This is gonna be a breathwork exercise, WIM HOF method. So make yourself comfortable and relax all your body and the tensions. Let's start with the first stage, the stage of the body. Breathe in and breathe out. With your own rhythm, breathe in and breathe out. So all the tension in your body, it's time to release it. It's time to let it go. Be aware of the shoulders, of your traps, your arms, your legs, and just follow the rhythm of the breathing, like a wave. Breathe in and breathe out. Full in and let it go. Let all the tensions go. Breathe in and breathe out. Doing good, keep it up. Breathe in and breathe out. Wonderful, keep it up. Breathe in and breathe out. This is for your body, remember, you deserve it. Breathe in, breathe out, 10 more. Breathe in and let it go. You got this. It's a gift for yourself. So release everything. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, 5 more. Do your best. Breathe in, breathe out. It's now or never. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one. Full in and let go. Stay there. 30 seconds, breath hold. In this moment, just focus on your body. Let the body do what the body is capable of doing. Feel your blood, feel your heart, your lungs, your muscles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Okay, second round. Breathe in and breathe out. Same rhythm, breathe in, breathe out. The body is already done, so we're gonna go with the mind now. This round is about your mind. All that thoughts, that luggage, time to let it go. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Do it for yourself. Here is no logical mind. Just be in the present moment. It's time to clean your mind. All the thoughts, it's time to clean it up. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Get rid of every expectations. Get rid of any kind of unhealthy thoughts. Get rid of every kind of luggage that you feel in your mind. 10 more. Breathe in and breathe out. Doing wonderful. Keep it up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, 5 more. Do your best. Again, breathe in and breathe out. As deeply as you can. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one. Full in and let go. Stay there. 1 minute breath hold. pure peace, peace of mind. You deserve this time with the best company you have, yourself. You're doing great. If you need to breathe before I give the cue, that's totally fine. Do your best. Almost there. A little bit more. You deserve this. Enjoy. This is only for yourself. Okay, so now fully in and hold it for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1, let it go. Round number 3. Here we go. Breathe in and breathe out. This is the last round. It's now or never. It's time to do your best. Breathe in and breathe out. The body check is done. The mind check is done. So now we're gonna focus on your spirit. It's time to clean your real energy, your real essence, your spirit. Breathe in and breathe out. This is the time for yourself. This is a moment for yourself. Breathe in and let everything go. Keep it up, same rhythm. Breathe in and breathe out. Doing good. It's time to clean. It's time to get rid of that luggage. Your spirit deserves it. Breathe in and breathe out. You already accomplished the body, the mind. It's a time for your spirit. Give me 10 more. Breathe in and let it go. Doing good. Keep it up. Do your best. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, last 5. Do your best. Breathe in and breathe out. This is now or never. This is the right moment. Perfect timing. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one. Fully in. Let it go. Stay there. 1.5 minutes. Breath hold. Stay totally there. Just enjoy this space of peace for yourself. Feel your higher self. Receive any kind of answers that he is giving to you. Be open to receive whatever information you have to receive now. You are doing wonderful. Keep it up. "13 seconds left. Doing good. Just a little bit more. Okay, now breathe in and hold it for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Now stay there, totally in peace with yourself, and enjoy this quality time that you have with your best friend, yourself.